So, the case is like this. In Windows installation, we will encounter a hard disk partitioning process, where hard disk partitioning is the process of placing a Windows system partition on the hard disk. So, the case is that the system cannot be saved on the hard disk partition, or you could say the Windows system rejects it, so we can't install Windows. So even if the hard disk partition is deleted or formatted, the result is the same. Windows can't be installed. Well, for example, like this. We can't install this because there is a message that says Windows cannot be installed on this drive, yes, on the hard disk. Okay, we delete it. Usually deleting it allows us to install it, but in fact, the result is the same. In fact, we can't install it. So, how is this? This is because your hard disk uses the GPT system, not MBR. Okay, well, just close it. Just close it. Well, the way to overcome all of this is we overcome it with the BIOS settings on the laptop. Where a GPT-type hard disk supports installation using the UIP system. So a GPT-type hard disk does not support the installation of legacy BIOS. Well, the BIOS settings here, friends, enter BIOS press F2 because this is an ASUS laptop. Well, friends, go to the boot menu here in boot option 1 there is this SanDisk. This was originally legacy, then I changed it to up friends. Not this one, but choose UIP because the hard disk is GPT type. Okay, then friends, just save by pressing the F10 key. Using the F10 key and enter. Okay, here, friends, just install as usual. As usual, friends. For friends who don't understand, you can ask in the comments column. Oh yes, for how to enter BIOS for ASUS laptops is by using F2. For HP laptops using F10, Lenovo FN F2, Acer F2, Toshiba F2 laptops yes. Okay, let's continue next and select the bottom custom and we start deleting the partition yes. So we'll see if it's the same or successful. Let's just prove it, okay. I'm here to create a 100 gig partition. Because I think 100 gigs for the system and document storage is enough, okay. Okay, let's just wait. Well, here the process of partitioning the hard disk is successful, friends, yes. So, there's no yellow reading anymore exclamation mark like that. So, friends can immediately click and install. Well, this is for the D partition, yes. But we want to install on the blue C partition. Try to be on the blue one. Okay. Well, the installation process went smoothly, okay. Okay, friends, for this video, maybe that's enough. Hopefully it's useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate the bell too so that friends get the latest updates about laptop and computer problems.